Okay, 18. 18 is 10 and 8. Plus 18, 10 and 8. Plus 37. Minus 23. What is your answer?
50.
Very good. 50 is the correct answer. Another example. 37 plus 27 minus 43 plus 34. What is your answer?
55.
Very good. Another example. 26 plus 17. 17 is 10 and 7. Minus 28, close 28. Minus 15, 15 is 10 and 5. Okay, what is your answer?
0.
Very good. Okay, 0 is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Marsha, all of your answers are correct. Okay, good job, good job, good job. Okay, next is Jaylene. Jaylene, unmute please. Raise both hands. 59 minus 2, close 2. Minus 32, close 32. Plus 47, open 47. Okay, what is your answer?
72.
Very good. Okay, another example, 15. 15 is 10 and 5. Plus 12. 12 is 10 and 2. Plus 37. Minus 43. Close 43. Okay, what is your answer?
21.
Very good. Okay, next, another example. 22 plus 27 minus 12. 12 is 10 and 2. Plus 27. Okay, what is your answer?
64.
Very good, Jaylene. So all of your answers are correct. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, next is Nathan. Nathan, unmute please. Raise both hands. 17. 17 is 10 and 7.
17
Plus 57.
plus 57
Minus 43.
minus 43
Plus 19. 19 is 10 and 9.
plus 19, 10 and 9.
Okay, what is your answer?
50.
Very good. 50 is the correct answer. Another example. 63
63
plus 15. 15 is 10 and 5.
plus 15
Minus 41.
minus 41
Plus 27.
plus 27.
Okay, what is your answer?
64.
Very good. Okay, next, another example. 16. 16 is 10 and 6.
16
Plus 37.
plus 37
Plus 28.
plus 28
Plus 9.
plus 9.
What is your answer?
90.
Very good.